how much heat is involved when 16 grams of sodium hydroxide reacted in the following reaction? And we have 2 moles of sodium hydroxide reacting with 1 mole of sulfuric acid, produce 1 mole of sodium sulfate and 2 moles of water, with the standard delta H value of negative 114 kilojoules. Alright, so you have a thermal equation, and you have the amount of one reactant. And here, you gotta use the delta H as part of your reaction's stoichiometry numbers, coefficients, or whatever else. And how do we use that? The conversion factor here apparently is going to be your delta H, which is 114 kilojoules negative over 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. So each 2 moles of sodium hydroxide reacted will produce us negative 114 kilojoules of heat. If we can turn this into moles of NaOH, then we should be alright. So go ahead, using your 16 grams of NaOH, and get your molar mass of sodium hydroxide, which ended up being 40.0 grams per 1 mole. Of course, grams of sodium hydroxide will cancel, and then once you get rid of the grams, you have moles, and each 2 moles of NaOH will produce us negative 114 kilojoules of heat. So moles of NaOH will cancel, and this calculation will give you the amount of heat involved in kilojoules. And that calculation result we got would be negative 22.8, so negative 23. Two-step fix, kilojoules of heat involved.